In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create a template in Google Sheets. We'll cover two reliable approaches. One that's perfect for your own personal workflow, and another that's ideal when you want to share a clean, copy-only version with others. By the end, you'll have a protected master file and a simple way to spin up fresh copies whenever you need them. Let's start with the method that's best for personal use, often called the make a copy method. Begin by opening a new Google Sheet and designing the layout you want to reuse. Add clear headers, include any formulas you'll need, and apply consistent formatting so every new file starts polished. Consider freezing the header row, setting number formats, and building sample formulas that reference the right cells. If it helps, add placeholder text instead of real data so the template stays clean. When you are satisfied, name the file with a clear convention, like master followed by your template name. That label makes it obvious. This is your source file, not something to edit day to day. When it's time to create a new document from the template, open your master and go to File. Then make a copy. Give the copy a meaningful name and work only in that new file. Your master remains untouched and ready to reuse. Now let's look at the method that's best for sharing. The template preview link. Open your template spreadsheet in your browser. In the address bar, look at the end of the URL and remove the word edit and everything that follows it. Replace that part with template/preview. This special link opens a preview page with a Use Template button. Anyone who clicks that button will automatically create their own copy, which means they can't edit your master. It's a clean, professional way to distribute templates without worrying about accidental changes to your source file. Keep in mind that access to the preview still depends on your sharing settings, so only people who can open the link will be able to use the template. It's helpful to label the link clearly when you share it so colleagues know it will create their own copy. With these two approaches, you'll maintain consistency, protect your master, and save a lot of time on repeat tasks. Thanks for watching.